Feelings are neither right nor wrong. We feel what we feel, but our feelings tell us something. They have a purpose. There once was a little seed, and the seed was sad because it wouldn't grow. And it comforted himself by feeling the warmth of the sun. We can comfort ourselves too. We could read a book, watch TV, draw, exercise, play video games, watch a movie, talk to a friend. Find out what works for you and utilize those things when you feel sad so you can get the comfort that the sadness is telling you it wants. Then the seed felt love. A friend came by and watered the seed. It was generous. When we feel love, we are generous. It could be a brother, sister, classmate, friend, parent. When we care about someone, we're more likely to be generous. Now, this doesn't have to be an expensive gift. It could be giving our time. It could be giving a listening ear. It could be writing them a card, helping out with the dishes. It could really be anything. Just giving your love and support and showing them that you're there for them. So the flower was growing and it was taking shape. But then someone came by and stepped on it, and the flower was angry. Now, when we feel anger, what we want is strength and empowerment. So this flower stood up tall and showed itself, and the next time someone came by, it stepped around it. It got what it wanted. Now we can get what we want, and we can do it in a peaceful way. We can tell people how we feel, and we do that in a nice tone of voice, a neutral, not yelling, screaming, swearing, but you talk to people. And sometimes, unfortunately, it takes several times of telling someone something for them to get it. But if we keep trying, and if we're creative, and maybe we think about the situation in a different way, it can help us get what we want, which is change. We can get the empowerment that we so want and deserve. So some time passed, and then someone came by and dropped a piece of litter on the floor. And the flower felt disgust. So it swayed away from the litter. When we feel disgust, we want to avoid the thing we're disgusted by. Think boogers, someone coughing or sneezing on us, other bodily fluids. These things disgust us because they can get us sick. So when we feel disgust, we want to avoid, because no one wants to get sick. But someone came by and they picked up the litter, and the flower was so happy. And when we are happy, it tells us that we are healing. So things are okay. We are feeling good again. Things are right in our world. Things are turning around. Everything is okay. So remember, feelings are not right or wrong. They tell us something. So pay attention to what your feelings are telling you and try to give them what they want.